Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook spinach for pasta. First, gather about 10 ounces of fresh spinach, looking for bright, healthy leaves. Make sure to rinse all the spinach very well under cool, running water. This removes any tiny bits of dirt. Then, it is important to pat the spinach completely dry with a clean towel or use a salad spinner. Removing this extra water is key for perfectly sautéed spinach, preventing a soggy texture in your final dish later on. Next, let's build some flavor for our pasta. Take a large skillet and heat about 2 tablespoons of good olive oil over a steady medium heat. Once warm, add 2 cloves of minced garlic. Cook this for approximately 1 minute, just until you can smell its inviting aroma. Be careful not to let the garlic turn dark brown, as burnt garlic can taste quite bitter and affect the entire flavor profile of your pasta sauce. This quick sauté creates a wonderful base. Now it is time for the spinach. Add your dry spinach to the skillet, working in a few batches if your pan is not very large. The spinach will quickly wilt down within about 2 to 3 minutes. Stir it constantly to ensure it cooks evenly and does not stick to the bottom of the pan. Once wilted, season the spinach with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. For a little extra kick, a tiny pinch of red pepper flakes works beautifully here. With the spinach perfectly cooked and seasoned, it is ready to join your pasta. Take the skillet off the heat immediately. Transfer the flavorful spinach directly into a large bowl with your freshly cooked and drained pasta. This is a great time to add about 1/4 cup of the reserved pasta cooking water, which helps bind everything together and creates a very light, silky sauce. Gently toss the pasta and spinach together until every strand is beautifully coated and combined.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.